This is important. I can't tell you how many courses I see in this space. Every day someone has a new course to share. And a lot of them are pretty darned good. Thing is, a lot of them are also pretty awful. In most cases though, well, they're pretty darned similar to each other. Why, oh why dear Lord do I need to see another one of these? I ask myself that quite often these days, because too often that's all it is, just another version of the same exact thing over and over and over again. It's boring and it's been done to death. There's this concept called a pattern interrupt, where you kinda get shocked out of your reverie because something unexpected happened. And boy did something unexpected happen with this course. It was absolutely amazing. I couldn't believe what I saw here. Talk about eye-opening. The end of my story is that I got some truly valuable gems out of this thing. It was incredible and I'm already implementing a lot of the ideas that I learned. And the best part? It's working. For real, I was so shocked, but it friggin' works. Wow, just wow. Click the link below and grab your complimentary mini course.